So, computer on. This is just a basic OBD. For whatever reason, the Renault data doesn't show RPM signals. So, yeah, you know what? I could be barking up the wrong tree at the moment as to why this car isn't starting. Well, let's show you this anyway. Stupid computer Snap-on is so slow, man. This is where I'm working today. This is New Addington. Nice forest down there. Now look, engine speed is on 70 RPM, and this is the sensor here in my hand. Yeah. It's a magnetic sensor. So if I unplug it, nothing. So that would suggest to me that there's some sort of resistance in the line. Yeah. That would suggest to me that there's a sort of a resistance in this circuit, man. This is a new connector. Plugging it in now. Clicked in. Back out of there. Go back in there. Like a hose coming down the road. So we've got 0. So I'll put the sensor back in. Alright, so I've got 0 RPM for whatever reason. Didn't think I was going to be able to show you guys that, but so we carry on. Let's carry on. Alright, let's crank it and see what we get here. Okay, it's not cranking because I've got the wrong ECU in at the moment. As you know, it's stuck at 194. So, correct ECU back in. Stuck at 70 RPM. I've had enough, so I'll give up. I'll post this up. If you guys have come across this before and you know what it could be, leave a comment. I don't know if you'll get to it in time to save this car, but I think it's dead now, mate. It's stressful.